Hello and welcome back to the CyberHero. Today we are going to discuss malware and threat analysis. This module will provide in-depth overview of malware, its various types, associated risks, and effective protection strategies. By highlighting the importance of cybersecurity awareness, this presentation aims to equip individuals with the knowledge necessary to safeguard their system against potential threats. So let's start without wasting any time. Now, moving to the first slide where we'll say Introduction to Malware. Starting with the definition of malware. Malware is designed to harm system, steal data, spy on users, or disrupt operations. What is its concern in cybersecurity? Malware is a key concern for cybersecurity, and it is crafted by attackers aiming for elegant gains. Trying to understand its importance. Understanding malware is crucial for the user and organization to implement effective prevention and response strategies against cyber threats. Moving towards next slide, where we are going to say what is malware. Malware is any software intentionally created to harm system. One line definition. Its main purpose is to damage files, steal confidential information, or spy on users. Confidential information are like stealing passwords or the personal photos, it's say. Attackers utilize various techniques to craft malware. Those we will see and discuss, we will get them in upcoming videos. Moving towards next slide, why malware is dangerous. Malware poses significant risks such as stealing sensitive passwords, detecting critical files, or logging system for a ransom. Main four reasons why it is dangerous: stealing sensitive passwords, deleting critical files, logging system for ransom, violating privacy and security. These are the main four reasons through which malware is considered as dangerous. I hope you got it. How malware enters a system. It can enter through various ways. The main four ways: email attachment, fake software downloads, infected USB drivers, malicious websites. We will see how in upcoming videos. This is just overview, an introduction part. What are different types of malware? Virus, worm, adware, trojan horse, spyware, ransomware. We'll see them in a detail by everyone. What is virus, how, adware, worm, trojan horse. Here I will give a simple brief introduction. A type of malware that attaches to file or separate when those files accept and compromise data integrity and damaging system. Worm is a malware that replicates itself across network independently without requiring user action, leading to wide separate infection. Too dangerous body. Adware programs that display unwanted advertisement and may slow down system performance, often bundled with the free software. Trojan horse performs harmful activity in the background without the user's awareness, making detection difficulty. Moving to the next slide, we will see some effects of the malware infection. These are the 6 main effects we can say. First one is decreased performance, data loss, unauthorized access, potential crashes, privacy violation, reputation damage. I hope this makes sense. Now in last we will discuss how to protect against malware. Install antivirus softwares, but they should be trusted. Don't go for fake and antivirus softwares, otherwise you will get in trouble. Keep system updates, avoid suspicious links. In every video, I almost tell you in every video, I always tell you that don't click on the suspicious links. Be careful, avoid clicking on the suspicious links or downloading pirated software. Scan USB drivers, scan USB drivers before USB to minimize risk. Implement a firewall. Use a firewall to block potential threat for entering the system. This was all about the video. This was the overview of malware. Now in upcoming videos we will see in depth typers, detection techniques, how they enter, everything we'll discuss. I hope this makes sense. And if you learn something new today, please hit that subscribe button and like button and share with your friends as much as you can. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Take care.